Hi, this is Dr. and I'm gonna try out for the yellow belt and lockpicking. I'm gonna enable MyLock. Let's see if I can open it with a key. That works fine, as you can see. Let's lock it back up. So it's locked. And let's try to single pick it. Put a little tension on. And I'm gonna use a normal pick. First one is good. Second one is springy. Third one sounds good. Fourth, I don't know yet. Let's go back to one. One is fine. Springy, I mean. Okay, it didn't sound bad. Right, three, still okay, I believe. Let's get the last one here, come on. Yeah, here we go. And it's open. Yeah, it took me about a minute and 20 seconds something, I don't know. That's it for the yellow belt single pin picked MyLock von Urhebers. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye bye.